Thinking of trying out Coverage Professor to find cheaper car insurance? The ads promise big savings with just a few clicks, but is it a real deal or just another lead generating site that doesn't deliver? Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on public information and user feedback. A lot of you guys are asking me how to just research so fast. So I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process, links in the description. CoverageProfessor.com claims to help you compare car insurance rates fast. The site looks clean and simple, but that's kind of the issue. Once you plug in your info, you're just redirected to other companies. You're not actually getting instant quotes right there. And on Trustpilot, reviews are mixed. Some users felt misled saying they got spammed with calls and didn't get any real savings. Others were frustrated that there were no actual quotes shown, just links to other insurance providers. So, is Coverage Professor a scam? Not quite. It's more of a referral site, not a direct insurer. But if you're expecting real time codes, you might be disappointed. If you don't want spammy follow up calls, this might not be the best route. Have you used Coverage Professor? Did it help you save or just waste your time? Let us know in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more quick, no fluff reviews.